Hello students, today we will see how to set the units for the given model. We have an example here. It's a bush model. I want to set the units for this bush. Let us see how to do this. Go to file. We have this option here, something called prepare. File, click prepare model properties. In the model property tab, you have something called units. By default, we will define it as millimeter Newton second. So remember, every time we went on to create a part model, we uncheck the default template. We set the units as millimeter Newton second. Suppose I want to customize the units, then go back to change, and from here we can define the system of units. So we have centimeter gram second, meter kilogram second, inches and pound second. So whichever unit system we want to define, we can define that. Suppose I want to convert this into a meter kilogram second. So select the meter kilogram second, set. Now when we go for the set option, we will have two options. Either you want to convert the existing dimensions from millimeter to meter, or you want to interpret the dimensions, which means my dimensions are correct, only 1 inch has to become 1 mm. For our example, if the total height of this bush has become 25 inches, it will have to be converted to 25 mm. So unit will not be converted when we use interpret dimensions. During the first option, the complete units will be converted. If I'm going for convert dimensions, press OK. You can see that the model has been completely converted. Double click and look back. You can see the dimension values have been changed from it's showing 0.09, 0.05, 0.01, etc. The entire dimensions is now in meters. Now I want to convert it back to mm. So you can use file, prepare, model properties, units. I want to convert it from meter back to millimeter Newton second. Set. When we say set, that means it becomes convert dimensions. So automatically the dimensions in meter will be converted into millimeter. Now all I have to do is double click on the dimension. You can check the values have been converted. So 0.15 it has become 150. So from 0.9 it has become diameter 85 mm. So you see that the entire dimensions have been converted into millimeter. So this is one way of converting your dimensions. Or if you want to say that the dimension values are correct, I want to just interpret the values and use file, manage, prepare, model properties, units, and you can say I wanted to just convert it into centimeter gram second, set, but this time I am saying that I have to just interpret it. So here the dimensions will not get converted, only the unit places will get converted. I have said centimeter, that's okay. Now you can see that the dimensions remain same, but it becomes 150 centimeter and this becomes 85 centimeter. The dimensions are not getting converted. Hope you would have understood the system of units that we are using in Creo. We have two systems. Either we can convert the dimensions from one unit to another format, or if the units are perfectly right, I can just interpret the dimensions and just change the system of units alone. See you in the next session with some few more examples. Thank you.